Hello, today I got this biometric fingerprint safe box. Um, when you will receive the safe box, when you open it, make sure you will read these warning signs. They are very important. And once you receive it, you will receive key in this pouch. Just take this out. For the first time, you need to use this to open and set up the safe box. So it's very simple. All you need to do, just slide it out, and then you have to insert little push on your left side, and then holding this hand you need to open on your right side this lock. So it's open. This removable cushion, if it's there, just throw it away, we don't need it anymore. So it's open with the key. Okay, so now all you need to do, install the batteries, remove the key and keep the key outside of the safe box. Always store the key somewhere outside. Now we need to install the batteries. So basically battery compartment is here. Also you can remove this one, we don't need it anymore. Battery compartment is here. We will install the batteries. Make sure always use the alkaline batteries. Once the batteries are installed, you can close the safe. And also when first time you will receive, it can be opened with any finger. For example, with this finger it can be opened. For example, with this finger it can be opened. Why? Because there is no fingerprint registered. So now next step, we need to register the finger. This safe box have memory of up to 99 fingerprint safe impressions you can store. So now we're going to store a finger. I mean, in simple words, you can say we are going to register a finger. How we will do it? For example, you can open with safe key, or with the, if the battery is inside, you can open with the thumb. If not registered, just open it. There is a button on back side, it's a green color button. Just press it once, you will hear a beep, the green color light will be on. So just press your finger, so the green light is on. Now for example, I have registered my index finger. I will try to open with my thumb. Now it's not going through. So now I will try my finger again. So it's opening. So now here's the question, one finger is registered, what about others? For example, I want to open with my thumb also. So now we will repeat this step if we want. For example, if you want to register only one, you can go ahead with only one. But if you want to store multiple, maybe your wife, your brother, your employer, your boss, it's okay, it's very simple. All you have to do, repeat this step. Just go here, just press the same button once, the green light is there. Now we will register our thumb. So it's, once the green light is there, it means registered. Now we will close, we will open with this thumb, it's opening. We will open with index finger, it's open. Just for a try, we will try to open with this little finger. Now it's giving error. So now I will open a safe box. I will show you one more thing. For example, if you want to give away the safe, or you don't want to use it anymore, or you want to give it to someone, and you want to reset each and every memory inside, like you want to delete all finger impression, what do you need to do? Once there is no light here, just open the safe box. On the back side there is green button, right, which we press once only for registering. Now we have to press it for a long time, once, maybe for 10 or 15 seconds. Once this beep will come, it means now it is factory resetted. So now it can be, it's like new. You can open with any finger, same like new. So you might wonder, when you receive these things inside, you will receive these accessories. By the way, this shelf, it can be removable. Why? Because if you want to store taller items, you can take it out and you can store your taller items as per your need. So you will receive these two items with it also. I will show you why. These are for wood. You can install in the wall or somewhere, but for wall I will recommend like the higher big bolts you can buy, and these one is for small bolts for walls or for wood. These are better. Also, you may ask like, what is this? This is the battery pack. Why you want to use it? For example, you don't have the key at the moment, your fingers is registered, and somehow your battery is dead inside, you cannot open the safe box. So on that time this can help you. How? I will show you. I will remove the battery to show you. So now there is no power inside the safe box. So what we will do, all we need to do, we will open this one like this. We will install the batteries very quickly. So batteries are installed. We can lock this one. So once this is locked, all you need to pull out this pin and just insert it here. Once you will insert it, it will give power. So now you can see there is no battery inside. I will show you. There is no battery inside. Whatever I do, it will not work. But once I will insert this one, it's working, because this external source of power is providing energy to this locking mechanism. That's all. I hope you understand how it works and anything. If you want to ask about this safe or any other safe, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so much.